Hello everyone, Super Shadow 7598. I'm back again with another video. Sorry I haven't done one in a while, it's been busy lately, but I'm back. This is a video of every single tie-in I made on 3D printing. Made all the Titan shifters except for two. That would be Porco galliards, Jaw Titan, and Lara's Warhammer Titan, which I haven't made yet. But for now, these are all of them here. Let's start with the very first Titan, known as the Attack Titan, known as Aaron. And I think I kind of did yellow a bit, but anyways, here he is. The eyes are print stickers, and I printed it in a Bamboo Lab model, which is only what's a small one. So you notice these lines. I had to slice it and print half of it to make it this size. And this is a really nice one. It stands perfectly. And most of these are all printed by Cults 3D. Here we have Dina Fritz's Titan, which is not a Titan shifter but abnormal. And it is a good looking one. Pretty basic, and yeah, again, the half printing I had to do. And the fingers broke off, so I had to make new ones. But even though she turned out pretty good. Here we have the Armored Titan. And he turned out pretty good. This was just in this position, but I decided to make more fighting pose, so I printed the arms separately and gave them articulation. And looks really good. And I used like red spray paint on these ones to look more shiny, more bloody looking, to look realistic. And the Armored Titan, this took me a while to do, using a golden paint pen to do. Took a while, but he turned out amazing. Here is another one. Here's the female Titan. Annie, that is. And this is a really good one. And again, I use red spray paint to give the shine blood-like. And click camera to focus. Come on, camera focus. The eyes are also printed stickers. And I use like a paint pen to make the white parts around. And yeah, she's a really nice figure. Here we have Pig Finger, known as the Cart Titan. And this is like one of my first ones. And yeah, I had to like, during the beginning of 3D printing, my first time, try to get rid of these like lines, but a lot of it's kind of gone a mess, but it's still good. And yeah, she looks amazing. The eyes are stickers as well, and the lips were a bit tricky to get the right color. And she turned out amazing as well. And it's very sturdy as well. Here is Emir's Jaw Titan. And yeah, again, half. And this is a really good looking one. But the person who designed this, I don't think she had eyebrows in the anime, I'm pretty sure. But even though this is a pretty nice looking one. And I am thinking about making Porco galliards Jaw Titan. Here is the Beast Titan, Zeke Yeager, one of my favorite characters. And this took a while to do actually. I had to print like half of it. Half on the waist, the arms and legs, and you see they're like connected, like glued on, like assembled. And I gave him the red eyes because I think he looks more menacing that way. And gave him a smile. And yeah, he's a really nice looking one. And better my original figure of the Beast Titan I did a few times on my channel, which I no longer have that Beast Titan, I traded away for other figures. Now here are like the good ones. Here is Armin's Colossal Titan. And the face was a bit tricky to do. It's like, took a bit of small detail. If I get the camera to focus. Okay, I think that's good, yeah. There we go. You can see a bit of the face. And this was a bit tricky to do because how small it is. And it's the same red spray paint, and it's perfect for 3D printing Colossal Titans. And this is the same mark I used for the female Titan. A bit of the ribcage broke off. Here is Aaron's Colossal Titan. And yeah, his failed, his ribcage. So I used air dry clay, but kind of awkward looking. Yeah, here's a much taller one. In the face, I'll probably upgrade it. Looks a little weird. But here's an alright one. This one is kinda not done, but made Emir's founding Titan form. And it's similar body to Annie's female Titan body. Yeah, this thing I had to like print parts separately, the legs, the two torsos, and the head and the hands, because it wasn't stable. And the ribs couldn't take it, unfortunately, because it's too thin. But even though she's alright looking. And now for the final one, made for Colossal Titan, Bertold Hoovers. And he's pretty good too. And again, the same paint pan and red spray paint. And he is amazing and shiny looking. He's a really tall one. So yeah, these are all my 3D printed Attack on Titan figures. Eventually I will make a 3D print Porco Galliard Jaw Titan and a Warhammer Titan eventually. But these are what I have right now, and they're pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be back with other 3D print custom figurines to show in the future. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.